In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade a Google Workspace subscription. Managing your Google Workspace subscription efficiently is important for your business operations or personal use, especially if you want to tailor the services to fit your current needs better. Let's navigate through this process together, step by step, making sure everything is crystal clear and easy to follow. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Billing option, which is usually located on the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu that allows you to manage everything related to your payment and subscriptions. Click on Billing and then select Subscriptions from the drop-down menu. This section gives you a comprehensive overview of your current plan, including the details and options for adjustments. Once you're on the Subscriptions page, you should see a list of your active plans. Click on the one you wish to downgrade. This might be labeled with the specific name of your current plan, like Business Standard or Business Plus, depending on your existing setup. Selecting this will bring up more detailed information about your subscription, which is especially helpful if you need to double-check certain features or terms associated with your current plan. With your plan details open, look for the ellipsis icon, also known as the three vertical dots, usually located at the top right of the details pane. This icon indicates additional options. Click on these ellipses and a small menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the Downgrade option. Choosing Downgrade will redirect you to another page that outlines the plans to which you can switch. It's important at this stage to understand the differences between your current plan and the potential downgrade options. Take a moment to review the features and limitations of the various alternatives provided. You want to ensure that the new plan still meets your fundamental needs. Keep an eye on changes in storage allowances, available apps, and support levels, which can vary significantly across different subscription tiers. Once you've reviewed and decided on a suitable plan, follow the prompts to confirm your selection. Be mindful of any final notifications or potential charges that might appear before confirming the downgrade. Make sure to save any critical data if you're losing features that are currently in use. Taking these precautions will help avoid unexpected interruptions to your services. And that's it. Your subscription is now downgraded. Always keep an eye on your billing section for any updates or changes that might need your attention in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Google Workspace subscriptions effectively. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below if you have further inquiries.